The Green Cabbie product reviews.
This is a review of the MulWark 25-piece folding hex set. This one here comes with the millimeters, the SAE, and the Torx. It's alloy steel. They are labeled Torx, SAE, and metric, so you don't get it mixed up. Inside, they actually have the numbers of what size that you're doing. 5, 8, 6, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, and 4. So it's got all the basic measurements that you need. The SAE has the 5/64ths, the 3/32, the 7/64, the 1/8, 9/64, 5/32, 1/4, 7/32s, and 3/16. The Torx has the T9, T10, T15, T20, T25. We got the T40, T30, and T27. It fits really good in the hand. You can get a good grip on it. It actually has rubber grips here so that when you're trying to twist and turn, you're able to do it with some good torque on there. And you see it's very easy to get to the angle or the location that you need while you're using the tool. So you can get into all those angles that you need, which is pretty awesome. With this alloy steel, it actually has a rust resistance coating on it so that if you're throwing this in your tool bag a lot and stuff's getting scratched up, it should protect it pretty well so that you don't get a lot of rust on your tools. That's the worst. A lot of time I will go ahead and put some oil or lubricants on the tools themselves to make sure that they don't rust, but for it to come with a rust resistant finish already definitely helps that process so that you're not tearing up your tools. I love the ease of being able to pull out really easily. This fixture is really nice in being able to get it adjusted the way you need it.
Click the link below now for the best pricing. Grab your deal and enjoy your purchase.
Subscribe now.